Hey guys, this is Daniel here. Just doing my review today for Conversions Pro. This is a program that I've been using for the last week or so, and it's a combination of funnel builder, page builder, autoresponder, CRM all built into one. So I'm going to go through this review. Hopefully it won't take too long. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video below, and we will take it from there. Let's get on to the second one. Okay, so Conversions Pros, what that does is it helps you to make unique, high converting landing pages. They're really easy to make, and it has a full suite of marketing tools inside as well. Basically, when we say Conversion Pros, we say everything you need to grow a profitable business today. Let's go down to the features. Let's just run over these quickly. So inside you've got a landing page builder, so you can do all your squeeze pages, bridge pages, everything else. You've got a CRM contact relations software, automated email, so you've got an autoresponder all built in as well, and SMS broadcast text messages as well. So it's feature rich. The whole process is automated. So you basically you've got your landing page builder, you send it to an offer, you've got your traffic, and you've got your list. All is automated, all inside one program. So you don't have to have separate page builders, CRM, and autoresponder. So 3 different charges per month. This is all built into one program. So, and it's easy to manage as well. So you've got a 14-day free trial. There's no credit card required, and you get to use all the features, and there's all the features for 14 days with no obligations. So just get in there and just play around with it. It's easy to set up, and if you use page builders before, you'll see that after a while watching a few of the videos, you won't have a problem using this. So landing pages, squeeze pages, bridge pages, whatever sort of page you really need to build. Very, very easy to do. Drag and drop design. It's mobile friendly as well, and it's fully customizable, and there's so many different templates inside as well, and you can import your own artwork, import your own photos, all that sort of stuff, just like a normal page builder. But maybe you'll find a few different features in here, or it'll work a bit differently. But you can link many pages together, so you could do a squeeze page, a bridge page, a thank you page, and then send to the offer. You can do it many different ways how you want, so it's pretty powerful. So this is something that's quite new, which is text messaging. So basically you have an app on your phone, Conversion Pros app will be on your phone, and whenever someone signs into one of your offers, they'll be sent directly to your phone, and then you'll have their phone number, their name, and their email. And then you could send them a text message. It all depends on how you set up your landing page as well, or your squeeze page. Sometimes when you do a promotion, maybe you don't want to have telephone number. Maybe it's not applicable, but you're still going to get that contact come up on your phone, and you can send them an email back directly from your phone as well using the app. So this is pretty cool. Next feature is a CRM, fully built-in CRM. So basically, you've got this mobile app, so you can manage everything. That's what I was sort of saying in the last slide. You got real-time push notifications when you get new opt-ins, seamless integration with your landing pages, and all the business contacts in one place. That's pretty good. And if you're an affiliate and you get people sign up under you, you'll see those come into your phone as well. So it's a nice feature. So email, as I said before, it's got a built-in autoresponder. So if you're using one of the other autoresponders, say Weber, MailChimp, GetResponse, whatever, then basically this program has already got one already built in, and it can do all the same features as all those other autoresponders. But this has got unlimited emails, unlimited contacts, and unlimited campaigns. And you can do broadcasts and everything else. So it's all feature rich, as I said, inside. Some other things, other features inside, A/B testing. So you could do you can find maybe a split, maybe you can do 2 landing pages, as it were, and send 50% of the traffic to one and 50% to the other. So you can split test and see which one performs the best, and then just going through this whole split testing scenario. There's loads of marketing videos inside. And and it allows you to put your own marketing videos inside all the templates as well, so it's really good. Invoice creator, so you can send professional invoices if that's what you do and you need to send invoices if you're working on a client site and stuff like that. Inside they've got a URL shortener, a bit like Bitly, something like that, or Pretty Links, so you can create a small link from a big URL, and that's already inside the program as well. So as I said, it's a very feature-rich program. Conversions Pro is something that is very feature-rich inside. But there's three things that would make this the best deal for you. And although you've got everything else in there, you're still going to need email creation tips. You're still going to need some copywriting tips. You're still going to need to get traffic, and you still need to have tracking as well. Don't worry, with my exclusive bonus, you'll have all you need to make the most success possible. It's going to put Conversion Pro on steroids. So basically, I've got 3 bonuses inside here, and I'll go through the bonuses with you. This is Tube Traffic Ninja. It's an ebook, and it's all about setting up and running YouTube channel. So basically, you can do all your videos on YouTube, and then you can bring them into your campaigns and in your lead magnets, or you could basically do all the YouTube stuff, and this teaches you how to do all the YouTube and how to set it all up, and there's some really good tips inside there as well. So that's my first bonus. My second bonus is an ebook about marketing your product. It's about, if you're creating products, how to market them best into the marketplace, and there's a free checklist with that, so as you go through all the steps you can check that off. My third bonus is about emails, and when you start doing email marketing, so you've got your autoresponder in here, and there's some templates as well already set up, emails for you already inside, but you need to be able to learn how to write emails and what are the best practices for sending emails to clients as well. So inside here is 7 top hacks from some experts around the email marketing space. So I think you'll get some good benefit from using these ebooks. So basically, how do you get your bonus bundle? All you have to do is click on the link below and go to Conversion Pros, sign up for your free account, and as soon as you've done that, I'll be notified, and I will send you an email with a link to your bonuses. That's it. Very simple to do. As I said, this is a really good deal, Conversion Pros, because you've got three programs all built into one. You've got your landing page builder, you've got your autoresponder, and you've got your CRM as well. So it's very good. Just click on the link below. They're free to get in. Links below for Conversion Pros, and basically that's it. If you've got any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like it if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.